Hello, or welcome back to those who have already watched part one and part two. You guys are winners. And I give you a virtual high five. So, we've already talked about why you want to record your daily sales in your accounting system instead of just relying on your POS system in part one, dissecting the daily sale. And we've talked about how to manually record a daily sale. Although it's not ideal, you really want to use all the automated processes you can to save you time and headaches in digesting daily sales part two. Now we're going to talk about what happens when your daily sale doesn't match your bank deposits for the day, or why they are balancing and what you can do to fix those issues in this part number three, decoding daily sales. So let's get to it. All right, we're back in our Xero account, the balanced plate, my favorite account. And let's take a look at problem number one. Your deposits aren't matching to your daily sales. So let's open up our operating account. We can see we've got to reconcile two deposits. And this is such a headache. So we've got two deposits on the 4th and 5th. And if we take a look at our daily sale for the 4th, let's just take a look at that. So here I've got that open on the left, our daily sale for the 4th. And you can see here our cash payments and our card payments, they don't equal our cash and our card outstanding on our bank. So what's going on? Well, the first step I would take is to make sure that there aren't any timing differences. So let's take a look at maybe a day or two before. So let's take a look at the 2nd. Ah, there's our deposits. So it could be that maybe this is a Friday daily sale and the deposit doesn't get made until Monday. If that's not the issue, make sure your discounts, tips, taxes, refunds, fees, all of your extras are all accounted for and properly recorded on the daily sale. All right, problem two. What if your POS system is syncing to Xero, but you're missing a daily sale? There's no daily sale for one day. Or maybe you've got deposits that don't match up to anything at the end of the period. Well, let's take a look at those journals. Those are here at the 21st. And let's see, we've got the 21st. Oh, we've got two for the 22nd, 23rd, 4th, 5th, and then there's a missing daily sale on the 26th. Well, that could be the problem. So you want to be able to make sure that you can look for and read all of the posted journal entries that the POS system has made. So, you've got an issue here with two journal entries, and then you've got a missing journal entry. So this could be a problem. Your POS system is syncing, but there are issues with the sync. So first I would check the POS system. Usually there's going to be an error message letting you know why the 26th didn't sync. Or it could be that there was an unusual item that isn't mapped, so the POS system doesn't know what account to post that item to, and so it doesn't send the journal entry over. If there is a duplicate daily sale, like here on the 22nd, you want to identify which one is the correct one. So you want to just compare it to what the POS system says. You can see here that there are two different amounts on this daily sale. So something changed. It synced, something changed, and it synced again somehow. So you want to identify which one is the correct one and then delete the other. And if both of them are incorrect, then you want to choose one, keep it, fix it, and update it to match the POS system and your deposits. Problem three is incorrect mapping. So this can be especially frustrating because you look at your profit and loss and you see random things, or maybe you're looking at your daily sale for a specific day. Let's look at the 23rd. And you're just reviewing your daily sale and you notice that bottled beer sales are going to bank service charges, and draft beer sales are going to liquor sales, and food sales are going to other revenue. And so you've got some mapping issues. You want to, on a regular basis in your POS system, go to the account mapping section and just make sure everything is up to date. Income accounts should go to income accounts, sales tax should go to a liability, discounts and fees can go to an expense account. And so the point here is catching errors quickly is key, because the quicker you catch them, the easier it is to remember what happened that day and maybe why there was an issue. So if you have more serious problems, or if you want to dive deep into any one of these problems, or if you want help syncing your POS system to Xero, don't hesitate to reach out. We're nerds, and finding and fixing issues is what we specialize in. So thanks for talking business with me. I hope this three-part series helped you in some way to understand daily sales. And if so, leave a comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.